Hey, what's up guys? It's Jonathan here. Have you ever wished there was a way for you to make money without having to do anything? It may sound like a dream, but there's actually ways for you to make money without having to do any work. So in this video, we'll discuss 4 ways you can make passive income. And if you stick with me until the very end, I'll give you a bonus way on how you can make passive income as well that I just recently learned myself. So if this video provides you any value, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It greatly helps out the channel. It helps push this video out to as many people as possible. So let's get right into it. So for starters, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything that's said in this video is for entertainment purposes only, and I encourage you to do your own research on any of the topics that are discussed in this video. So the first way you can start making passive income is through peer-to-peer lending. And basically what this is where you borrow money to other people, and in exchange for you borrowing money to this person, they pay you back not only the money that you lent to them, the principal, but they also pay you back interest as well. And that interest acts as profit for you. So almost think about it like you're the bank and someone's coming to you for a loan. And you could choose who you want to lend money to. But generally speaking, the less qualified someone is for a loan, the higher interest rate you could charge them, which means the more money you can make. But at the same time, that also means more risk that you would take as well. There's plenty of websites online that facilitate these transactions, like Upstart, Prosper, and Fund and Circle, to name a few. And basically what these platforms will do is that they'll just facilitate the transaction. They'll link you up with someone who's looking for a loan, and they'll set up the terms, and they'll collect the payments. They'll distribute the money out to you as the loan gets paid back. The second way you can make passive income is through investing in stocks. And with stocks, you make money in 2 ways. And one of those ways you make money is through appreciation. So typically the value of a stock fluctuates in the short term, but in the long term, it usually moves to the upside. And when the value of your stock goes up, that is appreciation. So for example, let's say you have a stock and you bought it at $50 a share, and it appreciates to $100 a share. That means you made $50 in stock appreciation. The second way you get paid with stocks is through dividends. There are some stocks that will pay you every 3 to 6 months just for the fact that you own the stock. The amount you get paid for dividends are all dependent on how much the company is willing to pay out. So generally speaking, more established businesses usually tend to pay out higher dividends than less established businesses. And generally the reason for this is because established companies aren't aggressively reinvesting every dollar that they make. So for example, a utility company isn't making as many investments as a company, let's say like Tesla, who's a very innovative company and a very new company, and not as established as, let's say, your neighborhood electricity company. The third way you can make passive income is through REITs, or real estate investment trusts. And REITs are basically investment trusts that own a variety of different kinds of real estate. The special thing about REITs is that they're required by law to pay out 90% of their profits to their shareholders, which in turn means that these shareholders tend to have high dividend payouts. So investing in REITs could be a really good source of passive income. So let's say that REITs aren't your thing and you want to get your hands a little bit more dirty. The fourth way you can make passive income is through investing in real estate. And basically the way this works is that you look for a property selling for below market condition. These are usually properties that are cosmetically not very attractive. And what you would do is you would buy this property, fix it up, rent it out to prospective tenants. Once you rent it out, you'll get a rent check. And after you paid all the expenses on the property, you get to keep whatever is left. I know that process doesn't sound very passive, and it isn't at first, but after you have everything set up and you have a property rented out, it's pretty passive after that. There may be a couple calls here and there to fix up something in the property, but for the most part, usually once you place a tenant, you're usually good to go. And I could go into details on this in a future video. So let me know if you want me to make a more detailed video about real estate investing in the comment section down below. So at the beginning of the video, I did promise that I would add a bonus way for you to make passive income. And I actually just learned about this recently. But there's a crypto brokerage called KuCoin. And this crypto brokerage, unlike other brokerages, actually allow you to lend out your cryptocurrency. And the nice thing about KuCoin is that they let you control how much interest you want to charge and how long you want to make the loan terms for. So you are in complete control about how you lend out your cryptocurrency. And depending on what crypto you have to loan out, you can loan out your crypto at a rate as high as 25% APY, which is absolutely insane. To be completely transparent, I know very little about this brokerage. So if you are considering using it, I would recommend that you do your own due diligence and that you do your own research to make sure that you're comfortable using a platform like this. So even though there's a million ways that you can build passive income, these are the 4 that I truly believe in and that I've seen people make a lot of passive income from. But one thing to note is that all of these methods to make passive income all require you to have money to invest. And in order to have money to invest, you have to work and be smart with the money that you're working for in order to develop a passive income. So in other words, you need to get your active income and turn it into passive income. So I'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It greatly helps out the channel. It helps push this video out to as many people as possible. If you enjoy my perspectives or the way I explain things, I also encourage you to hit the subscribe button down below. It's completely free, so what are you guys doing? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And what's your favorite way to earn passive income? Is it stocks? Is it real estate? Is it some other way that I didn't mention in this video? Let me know in the comment section down below. Follow me on my socials. I post there every day. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.